Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the headphones have enough charge and your phone's Bluetooth is on. This avoids mid-setup disconnects. Once the lights flash, press and hold the power/Bluetooth button until the LED indicates pairing. You should see the model name appear on your device. Tap to connect. Make sure to install Sony's app for firmware and sound profiles, because having the latest firmware reduces glitches and unlocks noise-canceling controls you'll use next. Once connected, open the Sony Headphones Connect app to enable active noise canceling. You'll find modes like noise canceling, ambient sound, and adaptive sound control. Adjust the level so voices remain clear or so the cabin hum disappears, depending on your environment. You can also tweak the equalizer and save a preset. This optimizes clarity and battery life. Make sure to test with real audio and walk around, because ANC interacts with. You finish by verifying firmware is up to date and selecting the best Bluetooth codec your phone supports for higher quality audio. Once done, test the physical fit. Adjusting the headband and rotating cups often improves the seal and noise canceling dramatically. If sound drops or ANC acts odd, restart the headphones, repair with your device, and only then reset to factory settings if problems persist. This sequence fixes most issues without losing saved profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.